In this video, we will show you how to use iFlo eye mask. Please follow these steps to connect, start, and complete one iFlo warm compress cycle. Connect the Type-C connector of control cable to the iFlo eye mask. Connect the USB port to a DC power adapter or a power bank. If using a power bank, long press the power button to keep it in always on mode. If the Type-C connector is not fully inserted, press the control switch and the controller will give 2 beeps while the blue light flashes twice. Fully insert the Type-C connector before starting treatment. After the connector is secured, press the control switch. The red light turns on. Short press the switch to adjust between 3 temperature levels. We suggest starting with the red high heat setting for warm compress. After selecting the red high heat setting, place the mask over the eyes and secure it with the strap. Gently press around the nose bridge so the mask fits the upper and lower eyelids. At 8 minutes, one long beep reminds the user to blink firmly to help express softened mabum naturally. At 10 minutes, the same reminder sounds again. Repeat firm blinking. At 12 minutes, 3 beeps indicate that one warm compress cycle is complete. After treatment, place the mask back into the storage bag for next use. Learn more about iFlo at www.visuscience.com.